Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside the Photos app. Open the photo you want to share and tap the share icon. Once done, you'll see suggested contacts. You must move deeper into app or system settings to remove them. Make sure to note whether suggestions come from the gallery, Google Photos, or the system share menu, because the removal path differs. Now tap the three-dot menu or settings gear that appears in the share sheet to access the hidden controls you'll change next. You'll now navigate the share sheet settings to turn off suggestions. Tap Manage Suggestions or the gear icon, then toggle off options labeled Suggested Contacts, People Suggestions, or Smart Share. This prevents contact bubbles from appearing. If the share sheet lacks controls, open Google Photos or the Gallery app directly, go to its settings, and disable similar suggestion features there. Once toggled, clear the app cache and force stop the You finish by testing. Share a photo and check that no contacts are suggested. If suggestions persist, clear cache for the gallery, Google Photos, and System UI, then restart your phone. That often forces settings refresh. If that fails, revoke contacts permission from apps that surface suggestions, update the apps and Android system, or reset share app preferences in settings. Doing so resets any lingering defaults. Finally, retest. Once gone, your share sheet will no longer show suggested contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.